Omushomo ogu gutebeekanisibwa aba International Conference on Great Lakes Region hamwe n'ekitongore ekya polisi kandi gwahitabwamu abapolisi abarikukurira eby'obururu ab'ebihome abaramuzi hamwe n'abahababi ba gavumenti. Dr. John Kamya omuhwezi wa mukuru w'okubangura abakozi omu kitongore ekya polisi yashoborera ekigendererwa ky'omushomo ogu.
And we discuss human rights. So the concept we are discussing this time is called the human rights based approach. Incorporating human rights in everything that they do. Then the main purpose of all our work should be to enhance, to protect, to promote human rights of the people we serve. So that is the concept we are trying to bring to our officers in the criminal justice system.
Yashobora habwenki omushomo ogu bareseramu abarikukurira eby'obururu.
Because we are approaching electoral period. And this project also touches civil and political rights. We concentrate on rights of vulnerable groups, women and children, refugees, people living with disabilities, older persons, but including civil and political rights. And because we are entering into the actual time when those rights are going to be either enjoyed or interfered with.
Part of the human rights aspects that we are dealing with is civil and political rights. And of course, when it comes to elections, the stakes are high. Someone may have sold his house to be able to participate in elections. So you find that people are very emotionally charged, and issues of human rights sometimes may actually not be properly observed.
Dora byamukama kurwa mu International Conference on Great Lakes Region kandi omunyabiragiro yagera ngu Uganda ine biragiro birungi ebirikurinda obugabe bw'abantu konka ntihaburamu kubiteeka omu nkora.
Where we need to put more effort is on the issue of implementation, and that is why we are now talking to the service providers, the police, the civil society organizations, prisons services, and others, Electoral Commission, Human Rights Commission, to be able to understand better how we can implement the legal framework that is existing.
Yahigabe byokwerinda kuba kimanya ngu orukukora omushango najunana nk'omuntu buntu.
Police Enforcement Act. If you commit a crime and you are, for example, serving in the police force, that particular crime may be attributed to you as a person and not as a police force.
Kamya yajanga okubangura oku nikwija kugumizamu omu byanga byona by'ihanga okwenda kujishya abarikukwatisa amateeka obugabe bw'abantu. Abarikukwatisa Tayari West Akenshonga.